Supernova is one of the most exciting and violent cosmic events in space. It is not just an ordinary explosion. Rather, it is the dramatic and spectacular announcement of the end of a massive star's life. Here is everything you need to know to understand this mind-blowing cosmic phenomenon. How does a supernova occur? A supernova typically happens in one of two main ways, depending on the star's type and size. 1. The death of massive stars. When a massive star runs out of nuclear fuel, it can no longer produce the energy needed to counteract its own immense gravity. The collapse. The star's core collapses in on itself in a fraction of a second. The explosion. The star's outer layers rebound off this collapsed core, triggering a giant explosion that blasts the star's material into space. 2. Binary star systems. This occurs in a system where two stars orbit each other, and one of them is a white dwarf. Stealing matter. The white dwarf gravitationally pulls and steals matter from its companion star, reaching the limit. Once it accumulates too much matter and exceeds a specific mass limit, a runaway thermonuclear reaction is triggered, completely obliterating the star in an explosion. Why are supernovae important to the universe? A supernova is not just a cosmic fireworks show. It is fundamental to our very existence. The element factory. The explosion generates immense heat and pressure, enough to forge heavy elements like gold, silver, and uranium, scattering life. The debris from the explosion contains elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron, the essential building blocks that formed planets, and even our own bodies, triggering new stars. The shock wave from the explosion compresses nearby gas clouds, sparking the birth of new stars and solar systems. What is left behind after the explosion? Depending on the mass of the original star, a supernova leaves behind one of two things. Neutron star, an extremely dense core, so compact that a single teaspoon of its material would weigh billions of tons. Black hole. If the original star was exceptionally massive, the core collapses completely, creating a region of absolute gravity from which not even light can escape. Amazing fact. The brightness of a single supernova can outshine an entire galaxy containing billions of stars for several weeks or even months.